Hello Philippines, happy weekend to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the middle of May latest weekend edition of our update for today, Saturday until Monday, May 17 to 19, 2025. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. It's quiet still across the Western Pacific, just the near equatorial trough affecting the southern parts of the country and the easterlies affecting the eastern sections. And we have these winds blowing across Bicol region, Visayas, and near equatorial trough being thunderstorms across Mindanao. There are localized thunderstorms expected over various sections of central and northern Luzon, particularly Ilocos region and the Cordilleras. And here's the latest fast emission from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. During the afternoons, there are thunderstorms across Ilocos region and portions of Cordillera, as well as over Visayas and Mindanao. This is due to the near equatorial trough passing here, while the full-blown IDZZ is affecting these areas of Micronesia up to the southwest of Guam or southeast of Palau. Easterlies will continue to prevail over the eastern sections of the country. And here's the latest zoom in satellite emission from windy.com, and you can clearly see here at this early evening thunderstorms continues to affect wide swath of Mindanao as well as portions of the Visayas, particularly Samar Leyte and some portions of central and western Visayas. While over the Bicol region, only isolated thunderstorms can be observed here, very small. There's one here over the Partido District of Camarines Sur and large area of Ilocos region as well. You can clearly see here lightning strikes, cloud to ground, cloud to cloud lightnings. Okay, and for the rain forecast for the next 5 days until Thursday, May 22nd, thunderstorms will prevail. Let's begin for tomorrow afternoon, Sunday, May 18. Thunderstorms over Mindanao, parts of Visayas, smaller areas of the Bicol region, and again over the Cordillera and Ilocos mountain regions. Okay, and Monday afternoon, Palawan, Mindanao, parts of Visayas will also continue to feel the usual afternoon thunderstorms because of the near equatorial trough, which is a common feature during the month of May. And on Tuesday, May 20, same scenario will be expected during the afternoon, and increasing thunderstorm activity over the Bicol region and northern and central Luzon. Wednesday, May 21st, it will be just focused over the areas of Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, Visayas, and more frequent over Mindanao. And on Thursday afternoon, same situation across these areas. Okay, and for the wind forecast over the next 5 days, based on the European and the American model, nothing's active here. There's no low pressure system developing for the next 5 days until the next 1 week. Okay, particularly within the 5 day span, because more than 5 days will have a very low probability when it comes to the forecast. So far, until Thursday, May 22nd, it will be generally easterlies to variable winds across the country. Nothing much here. Even the American model are showing just the easterly trade winds and the southeasterly trade winds as well. So nothing much here. Although Thursday, May 22nd, there's a low pressure system that may form here southeast of Mindanao and to the west of Palawan. But since it's the American model, we are not going to take it seriously, since it is always like that when it comes to the US model. As for the wave forecast, nothing serious here. If we are going to refresh this page, there's something error going on here. Some kind of error, okay? So for the next 5 days until May 22nd, Thursday, it will be light waves over the East Philippine Sea up to a meter and come to half a meter here over the central waters of the country. And over the West Philippine Sea up to the Calayan Island group, Scarborough or Panatag Shoal, it will be half a meter to calm conditions. Okay, so very nice for shipping and sea travel, as well as fishing activities is good for this kind of wave heights. Okay, so far that's the latest for this weekend. Nothing much. We will return early next week for another update. This is Mike Padua saying happy weekend once again. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.